Yeah, I think these will do. Just to see. See better, cause actually I wanted paper towels, but that's not my paper towels. So far I shan't today. I'm not my car waiting the Lugenzan, but and I think in years will save it. If this is not what she bought it for, that's us. Yeah, this will do the job. Maybe put a cut, man. It cut. Yeah, maybe I need to cut it. What is it cut? Cut now. And this one, I just say cut in foods. Into ebalulekile usawuti. Usawuti nje is everything. Usawuti into ebalulekile. Yeah. Iphepha nje sesizofaka because ngiyathandela ukuphepha but into nje ebalulekile usawuti. Usawuti is the main ingredient. And then here because sithanda ibaba. Yeah guys, I think we're ready. Yabona manje ayayihenga lehlaba manje nehlaba so fucking le okay. Ebalulekile usawuti. Well, it's looking good already. Okay, so Biltong yethu i-ready. So ibona manje ukuthi izothatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ivuthwe. Okay. Come on guys, you cannot, I want to turn the Biltong. I turn the dry force. I bought some force. So, there's nothing special in the lana. Before Sanyana. Yeah, so as for the force, say picture. Say picture. That is songo. Okay, voice in. After with me being me, so I've always seen in the Mzansi, in case ngibona ile nto le. Sengibona Biltong chicken angaze ngiyidle, but since namhlanje ngikhanti Biltong ngithengile ne-chicken. Vele ngathenga ama-chicken breast. Thenge chicken fillet. Yeah, isifuba zenkukhu. This is the peri peri order. So lesiyenzayo nje sizigrisa kusawuti. Sawuti is the main ingredient, guys. Usawuti into ebalulekile. Sawuti into ebalulekile. Sigrisa usawuti. Salt amadumbe. Flip it. Sifaka usawuti. Phepha masala kanjani. Okay. And for my favorite touch, sifaka upelepele wesifulo. Malume wami baba phakathi bayugqula upelepele ufake nephini Smirnoff, but this time eyodwa siyifaka upelepele, le nenye singayifaka upelepele. So as in I think lo sawuti wami ngathi urafu kakhulu, afuna ukunamathela. Oh shit. Ay man. Wenzani uganga. Okay. Okay guys, that's all it takes to make biltongs. Yo, we're done. We're done. Kodile manje. We're done. I'll just kodile manje. Sivale the fucking le. Sivale the shande sit. Hey. As double group manager better double group. Ay man. Okay, simkhiphe lo then sifake manje.